lightning blue. Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon here with Exotic Cars 19 with another video oriented towards the GT350, but I think you guys have seen enough of mine, so I think we'll switch it up a little bit and go lightning blue 350R. You guys may recognize the owner of this car when we show him in a second here, but a couple videos back we made a video with a white Hellcat doing some fun stuff. Well, the owner recently switched over to a 350, and a pretty darn nice one if I do say so myself. If you guys are new to the channel, this here is my GT350. It's a 17 in lightning blue with the white stripes and black pinstriping. At the time I bought that back in 17, an R was just not necessarily obtainable. They were going for crazy money. Nowadays though, Austin picked himself up one of these. I think he got a pretty fair deal as well. We might talk about that a little later, but for now, little walk around on this. Maybe I'll overlay some pretty pictures and all that good stuff. But yeah, I've had plenty of seat time in mine, about 10,000 miles at this point, 2 years. Made my little 2-year anniversary video with it. I think that was the last video I uploaded. I hooked up with a white GT350R for a photo shoot and all that kind of comparison fun stuff. As of right now, I have not actually sat in a GT350R. I don't imagine it'll be too different from a standard 350. I've already made like the comparison, but it's going to be, you know, different tuning for steering, suspension. They don't come with back seats, yada yada. But for the most part, should be pretty much the same as far as my impressions. So, Austin, I say we hop in. Let's do it. Goodbye, old friend, for now. The elevation changes out here in Mexico. Yeah, man.
I've put like the power band on these cars ever since they came out.
And that's the thing, so our engines are the same, but you lose a lot of weight with these wheels.
Yeah.
And not just like weight in general, which is important, but that's unsprung mass. So your braking is now improved. Acceleration probably improved, everything. Just delivery changes when you have that unsprung mass in those lighter wheels made of carbon fiber, man. So you only got this how long ago?
I got this about a month ago.
A month ago?
Yeah.
And how many miles were on it?
2,600.
2,600, that's nothing, man.
I've only put, I think, 1,200 miles on it since I've had it.
And what'd you pay for it?
I paid like $57,000.
Man, under 60 with under 3,000 miles for an R. Clean one too.
Yeah,
Not bad.
I got it for under traded value.
Yeah, no, that was really well done. Yep.
So.
No, it's so distinctive sounding, the 5.2 flat plane crank.
Yeah, and it revs to 8,000 RPMs. I mean, and it's manual transmission, American. Yeah. Handles like a GT3 Porsche. I mean, where could you go wrong?
Yeah, dude. So well rounded.
I mean, it's not as fast as most cars in a straight line, but it's not really what it was meant for.
No, not at all. And we go back to my poverty version. Of course, the red pinstriping with the red badging just kind of distinguishes it, being the 350R versus the standard 350. But it's kind of cool having both of these out here. I really liked having the white R with the blue stripes as well. That was a pretty cool photo shoot, but having these that are a bit more similarly spec'd, how menacing this looks with the big old splitter and the red accenting the black stripes versus mine a little bit more docile. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but both of them I think go hand in hand. All right guys, well, a little unorthodox, but that's usually the fun of these videos. But thought I'd hook up with Austin with his newly acquired 350R. I think they look pretty good together, but we might do a separate video, point of view drive only or something, I don't know, but you'll probably see both of these together in the not too distant future. But anyway, that is for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.